Hello everyone and welcome back to Teacup Tarot. We are back with our August predictions. Can you believe the year is like going so super fast? I remember it was like yesterday I was celebrating the New Year's and it's August. Oh, time really flies. Anyway, I have three piles as always in front of me. So please pick one that really speaks to you and then we'll start with pile 1. Hello, my beautiful pile ones, and if you've chosen this pile, then this is what the month of August is going to be like for you. And to begin with, I really want to start as always these days with our moonology. So, in the month of August, you are really being encouraged to make sure that you're scheduling, time to breathe, time to relax. So I do feel like the month of August is going to be super busy for you. You are going to be having a lot of things to accomplish, and please ensure that you're filling up your own cup first. Okay, so that is the very first one. And along with that, this is going to be a month where you are going to be very creatively inclined. Like even while doing things normally, you are going to bring your own flavor to it. Doing things with a little bit of twist is what I see for you. But at the same time, you are also going to be pulled into things that are into the creative domain. Like especially things that you've not done for a very long time. Okay, this could be a hobby, something from your childhood, painting, languages. It's all going to be driving your attention. But at the same time, once again, the message is repeating. You are being encouraged to not go at a fast pace. Like pace your activities is once again what is coming forth. And to understand that you don't have to achieve everything at the word go. Pace yourself so that, you'll actually be able to run the longer race is what is coming for you. At the same time, your family is going to be requiring a lot of attention from you. In a way, what I see is your family, your relationships are going to be getting so much better in the month of August, and you could be spending a lot of time with family in family gatherings, getting together, or sometimes, when it comes to photographs, old photographs, visiting old friends who are like family is also going to be very likely. Now, we are going to be moving to your tarot cards. You have Justice. You have the Sun. Beautiful. King of Cups. You have Page of Wands. You have Six of Cups. Yes, that really explains the family connection here. And you also have the Five of Wands. I'll take that at the end to tie things up. So firstly, emotionally, I feel like you're reaching a point in the month of August where you're balancing thing out. In a way, it's almost like, a part of you is now ready to let go of, whatever has happened. And in a way, you're also rewriting your future is what I'm getting here. You are done with looking at the slightly not so bright side of things, and you are ready to face the sun once again. And what's interesting is the very next card for you is the Sun. So definitely the month of August will have something to celebrate for you guys. This could be like a birthday, an anniversary, or just an occasion that is very, very happy. Also work wise, the possibility of a promotion is likely, and for a couple of you, signing new documents. This could be documents relating to a new job, documents relating to a business, or in certain cases a house, a car is very likely. But whatever is happening, it is bringing you a lot of satisfaction. And also emotionally, your relationship is going to get better, again with the family card showing up. So in a way, you're very happy as far as your relationship are placed. And if there are any kinds of disagreements that I did see in the last week, they will phase themselves out, because you also had the card of Five of Wands for you. So I feel like the Five of Wands are now going to be replaced by the King of Cups and the Justice. So feeling good about your relationship, feeling a kind of a harmony in your relationship is on the cards. But also is travel, okay? But for some people, I don't really see this as major travel coming up for you. This could just be travel that is happening, like a short trip 1 hour away, or just out with friends or family connecting with each other. But at the same time, you could also be at the receiving end of a lot of news, okay? So, news or letters, or this could be an email, this could be a phone call, especially a phone call that has good news and puts you in positive spirit is very likely. And of course, you are feeling very nostalgic. You are almost connecting with a part of you that was very happy, is what I see. Because, in a way, especially with the justice showing up, this is like a karmic rebalancing happening for you. It's in a way, people from the past will come back into your life, but these are people who've always meant a great deal for you, and there is going to be a lot happening. And I believe because of this, the constant movement, the constant action is showing up when it comes to your life. But at the same time, this month you're also going to be implementing a lot of changes when it comes to your life, okay? Especially in terms of your work situation, you will make drastic changes, because what is happening here is a lot of the work that you're doing, it is being affected by your inner landscape. And as your inner landscape really settles down, as your inner landscape becomes still, your approach to work, your approach to situation also changes a lot. Now, in terms of what do you need to surrender, you are being asked to surrender your fear of intimacy. So in your life, if you are slightly not sure about allowing people into your life, this could be a romantic relationship or this could just be friendships, you are being asked to open your minds and open your hearts and to let people in. Because like I said, what is happening for you is like this emotional renewal. So as a result of this emotional renewal, I believe you'll change your pattern of behaving with partners and in relationships, is also what I see for you. Now, we'll get into pulling the rest of the cards for you, since you people really enjoy this. Journey, yes, like I said, travel could especially be something that is really important for you, and you may actually travel, for this month, going on a short trip, maybe with family. Family vacation is also on the cards for you. But yes, but you are also being asked to not so much worry about your goals, but to enjoy your journey instead. Yeah. And you have explore. Map shows what has already been discovered, go another way. So basically you are being asked to explore and not so much worry about your destinations, but to just enjoy the journey. Now I'm going to give you your numbers: 20, number 3, 22, 6 can be 9, number 10, 44, angel number. Money wise as well, things look really good for you during the month of August. I'll give you your alphabets. Okay, you have a T, you have an A, E, F, B, E, R, S, I, H, R, L, A, V, Y, U, K, G, you have an E and L. Oh, you have one more. You have a Z as well. Okay, so overall this is what is in store for you for the month of August. As always, I pray that the month brings you a lot of satisfaction, a lot of joy and fulfillment. I'll see you in my next month. Bye. Hello, and if you've selected pile 2, this is what the month of August has in store for you. Now, to begin with, like for the couple of last 2 weeks, we are going to be starting out with your moonology. And for you, pile 2, the month of August marks the end of a tough cycle. So especially for people who've been facing some kind of hard situations, if you've been feeling like you've been dealt with a not so good hand, things are getting over. Especially for people who've been under the influence of Saturn, you guys could be receiving a lot more better days in the future, is what I see. Something tough ends and it is replaced by easier days. But at the same time, for the month of August, you are being advised to be patient, because what is happening is your life, if it is like surrounded by fog, if things are unclear for you, August is going to bring a lot of clarity for you, but it is going to take time. You have to be slightly more patient and understanding, because it is the end of a cycle. And whenever a cycle ends, you just have to, just pace yourself a little bit. At the same time, your health, you really need to pay attention to your health, and also do something that will build your strength, build your energy. Also, please make sure you're paying attention to what you're eating, and exercise needs to be a regular part of your life, okay? Especially since you're just getting out of the phase of Saturn, your health needs your attention. But I feel like this is just going to keep getting better. And at the same time, you may feel like, you don't understand a couple of things, like certain mysterious things happen in your life, and I really get a strong spiritual indication here. So your spiritual life is also going to be very, very prominent for you. Please pay attention to your dreams is something that I'm going to tell you, because vivid dreaming and receiving clarity via your dreams can actually happen for you. So spiritually, it is an outstanding month for you is what I'm going to tell you. Makes sense since you have the high priestess. What's interesting is you have judgment in the reversed. Okay, you have 7 of cups, you have the hanged man, and you have the 3 of pentacles, which I'll just place here. Okay, so you are actually going to be working very, very hard in the month of August, okay? And this isn't really working hard because you're not enjoying something. It's because you're enjoying things so much and you really want to do a good job at it. So work is really, really very prominent for you. But at the same time, this is also you working with people who have different skills, okay? So getting advice from somebody, working with somebody who has a better knowledge about certain things than you do can also be very much on the cards for you. But at the same time, you're also feeling very dreamy, okay? Which is why I really got the message of paying attention to your dreams. But of course, you'll also be doing things that are making you happy. You're making space for the beautiful things in your life. This could be self-care is very much on the cards for you. A small holiday, a trip, especially to a riverside or just water bodies, is something on the cards for you as well. But one thing that is really important for you in the month of August is you have to pay attention to learning lessons, okay? Because what may be happening is, for a couple of you, you are sort of holding on to certain energies from the past. It's like in your mind, you could be repeating, okay, this happened, this made me feel this way. Because what is important for you is to release what has happened so that you can move into the future with a greater amount of clarity and success. And understand this, you also have a lot of choices showing up for you in the month of August. So you can decide, do you really want to continue in the phase of your past, or you want to move to a brighter, beautiful future? Especially when it comes to relationships, this could be something that you're questioning. And for your work-wise as well, okay? Also, you have a lot of options that are now open for you. So I believe, especially for people who've recently graduated, people who've recently got their examination results, you have a lot of important choices to make. So make sure you're choosing something that is just right for you. And of course, you need to ensure in the month of August that you're not just looking at things from one perspective. You need to change the way you approach situations. You need to change the way you look at things and look at things with a fresh perspective. So taking a step back and not being impulsive is something that is suggested. Now really reinforces the message of patience here. Be patient. If you take a step back, if you think things through, things will really, really get clear for you. And what will happen is, once you get that clarity, you are ready to move forward with a lot more speed is what is coming through. Alright, and at the same time, please pay attention to your intuition, and like I said, spirituality, meditation, going on retreats, scheduling time for yoga, deep breathing is going to be very, very important for you. Because what is happening is, especially is since this is like the end of a certain tough cycle, especially a lot of Saturn people will get relief. That connection with spirituality, that spending time meditating will help you navigate the waters in a much more rapid way. In a way, the month of August is almost like a month of spiritual awakening for you, where you will be able to release a lot and you'll be able to go into the future with a much more happier state of mind. So please make sure you are making your choices wisely is what is coming as well. And when it comes to surrendering, you are being asked to surrender the idea that you can fix someone. We can never fix anybody, we sometimes learn these lessons the hard way. Sometimes it just causes us a lot of harm, but just surrender that idea. You'll be a happier person, okay? Just work on yourself, concentrate on your own healing is something I'll tell you. Or you have a journey too, and I believe the journey for you, of course, sometimes can be a journey like a road trip or a travel journey, but for you it is more like a spiritual process, the process of releasing the past and accepting the future. Yeah. And empathy, okay, there's a lot more beneath the surface. So when you are very much fixating on the idea that you can fix somebody, maybe you are not looking at the other person's point of view, and you are not really understanding what is going on in their own life. We can only know what is happening with us. Like somebody could be going through the greatest amount of emotional crisis and still can smile. We unfortunately live in a society that still criticizes that mental health issues. So please ensure that you're treating people with a greater amount of empathy in the month of August. One more, generosity. You may also be donating something for the month of August. This could be your time, this could be your attention and affection as well. And of course, with the Saturn cycle ending, please make sure you're donating something, okay? Because that donation can really help you work out some of your karmas and gather new karmas for the next cycle to come. It's a spiritual awakening is what I'll tell you is happening with you. Invite this, and yes, you have spiritual blessings with you, you have angel blessings with you. 13, number of change. Once again, it's going to be a beautiful month. Wow, an angel number once again. It's going to be a beautiful month, but it's also going to release a lot of things out of your life, especially a lot of things that you've been holding on to is what I'm getting. Now these are the dates that are coming up, important dates in the month. Yeah, I'll give you your letters as well. You have I, Y, P, O, X, okay. If you are holding on to an ex or somebody who was in your life before, even an ex-friend for that matter, you need to let it go. That's the message. Because everybody, has their own issues, and maybe a little bit of empathy on your part could actually make a lot of difference, since you have to surrender the idea that you need to fix somebody as well. So that really comes together. So these are your letters. What do we have? So yes, you're going to be doing a lot. You have the word go there as well. And yeah, you have tea again. Sit with a cup of tea, please. Especially when you need to reflect on something, then that is something that you should absolutely do. Because trust me, that cup of tea can solve a lot of things that are happening in our life. Yeah. So yeah, overall that is, you have win as well. So you'll emerge as a winner in the end. And trust me, there's one thing that I really want to tell you. When it comes to Saturn, the energy of Saturn, once you move out of something, he leaves you with nothing but blessings. So blessings are going to be entering your life. You're just ending one phase. Okay, so just pay attention to that. And you actually have the word end. Look at that. So it's really the end of a phase and the beginning of something beautiful. I am going to be praying for you, pile 2. I am so going to be praying for you, because I just want you guys to emerge on the other side of this and lead happier and fulfilling lives. Yeah. So that's it from me when it comes to your month of August. I'll leave you here. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Hello, and if you've selected pile 3, this is what you can expect for the month of August. Now, we'll start with your moonology. And for your moonology, you have your dreams need a practical plan. So if you have something in mind, like a goal in mind, something you really, really want, just wishful thinking or just thinking about it constantly is not going to make it happen. For your dreams to really come down into the practical manifestation, you need a plan. So make sure you are writing down mini steps for how you will go about it. First of all, having written goals. period. That is very, very important. Okay, so please make sure you are working on a practical plan. And in the month of August especially, physical activity is going to be very important. Okay, so your health requires your attention, but your health overall, if it is fine, if you're in jobs that require you to be like, physically sitting all the time, then please ensure you are getting that physical activity. Okay, and at the same time you have the giraffe spirit. So what may be happening is, sometimes in your life, when we are so involved in a situation, we sometimes feel like, what is happening, I can't figure these things out. If that happens in your life, take a step back and just look at the whole situation. Okay, just so look at the situation from a third person's perspective. So when you look at things from the third person's perspective, things will become so much more clearer. And you need to not only make plans for now, but in terms of your future as well. Okay, so financial planning, like 5 years down the line, 10 years down the line, you need to look at a bigger picture before making any important decisions for yourself. And spiritually, it is going to be an incredible month for you. In fact, spiritually, things are really, really changing. So if you really pay attention, you could actually be acquiring a lot of spiritual gifts in the month of August. Okay, so please make sure you're paying attention to spirituality. And for a couple of you, the possibility of heading to like a spiritual place for a visit, like a temple, mosque, a church, somewhere that you connect spiritually very, very deeply with, is also on the card. So please do that. Okay, it will really help you make that progress that you really, really need. Now, coming to your tarot cards, you have the Chariot, you have 8 of Pentacles, you have 9 of Pentacles. Okay, lot of pentacle energy, down to earth energy. Yes, you have Death and Rebirth. Okay, I'll just arrange this. First of all, you're going to be very driven in the month of August. Okay, it's like, I believe you're taking the lesson to heart when it comes to having a practical plan. But along with having that practical plan, you'll get down to work, you'll get down to business, is what I see. But once again, travel is on the cards for you. This could actually be a long distance travel for a couple of you. But for a couple of you, if you've been waiting for that new vehicle to come into your life, you could actually be acquiring that vehicle. But the month of August is also going to be one of a lot of changes for you. Internal changes firstly, but also changes when it comes to your external life. And trust me, all the changes that are happening, they are happening in a way that is conducive for you. So a lot of job changes is on the cards. For some, this could just be like a change of department, or the change of way you approach situations is coming through. A location change for a couple of you is also likely. So shifting from your workplace, shifting to a new location, shifting to a new home, or looking out for a new home. If that is something that you're currently doing, that could actually be happening for you. But please pay attention to your spending, okay, during the month of August, because you definitely are spending a lot of money. And you're not just spending normal money, you're spending on luxury, okay. So if you're people who want to really pay attention to your finances, just make sure you're saving money first before you spend. But at the same time, you're also involved in a lot of beautification activities, like especially around your house. For a couple of you, you could be probably getting new furniture, changing a couple of things around you, putting new wallpapers, choosing new colors, especially with the change of home and scenario vibe that could be happening. But in a way, what I see here is you are now arranging your life in a way that is right for you. Okay, you're like customizing things for yourself, is what I'm getting here. But you're also burning the midnight lamp. So especially for people who are students, especially, you are going to be putting a lot of efforts into studying. And even when it comes to your career, you're really focusing, you're really going at it very strongly. And the reason why I feel like you're making that extra effort is because you want to make a lot of progress in a short amount of time. And that is quite possible for you at this point of time, is what I see. But please ensure in, wanting to accomplish everything at the same time, you're not really, exhausting yourself, because you also have the card of 10 of Wands. So you're carrying a lot of responsibilities, you're carrying a lot of burdens on yourself, okay? So please ensure you are scheduling taking occasional breaks, and you just are having like a priority list, because I feel like if you take up too much, you're going to overwhelm yourself. Okay, so please be a little bit careful about that. But at the same time, you could also be making certain important financial decisions for yourself, especially for your future. And also for people who feel like they're not really making the kind of progress that you should be making, you are making progress. Probably you are not seeing the signs externally when it comes to your time. So please make sure you continue to do the hard work, because success is in your life. Okay, it's going to come and it's already around you. So make sure you are looking at the signs. And financially, I do believe it's going to be a good month with expenditures, if I may add. Okay, and I'll give you a couple of more. Strength, stay afloat and feel steady and calm. Okay, so you're being asked to once again strengthen yourself physically, because that physical strength is going to be important, because you're working really, really hard. And please make sure you're not working too much. Okay, and you have explore. Maps show what has already been discovered. Go another way. So for a couple of people, especially death, you may be ending one cycle and going into a different one entirely. You could be ending one job and going into an entirely different job, or at least exploring the options. That is something you should do, especially if you feel like where you currently at, you're not making the progress. Try something else is the clear message. And determination, don't be afraid and do not give up. Okay, so please be determined, please be strong in the month of August, because everything that you're working so hard for, you're going to be getting it very soon. I'll give you one more. Flow, let your worries drift away. So don't worry too much. Please don't worry too much. Okay, life is like that. So just make sure you are meditating, especially, or visiting a temple or a place of worship for you. Yeah, and surrender. You need to always be right. So this month it's going to be really important for you to not want to be right all the time. I'm going to give you your numbers. You have number 6 or 9, 44, angel blessings once again. You have 24, 77. Please pay attention that you're spending time in nature. Please do that. 55, lot of angels around you, enlightenment card. Makes sense. Number 3, important dates of the month is what they are. 5 and 21. I'll give you your letters. P, M, T, A, N, I, W, I again, J, T, and E. I'll give you a couple of more. A, U, F, R, and you have an S. Okay, you may find your initials or your name here. I know a lot of you do. But overall, that is your reading when it comes to the month of August, one of enlightenment. So please make sure you are meditating, and please make sure you're giving yourself a little bit of break. As always, I wish you my very best. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.